All right, so welcome to this week's deep dive. We are going to take a look at the biggest AI news this week. As always, specifically chosen for you, the learner. We've gone through a ton of reports, and like always, we've kind of boiled them down to really pull out the important trends and insights, and really focusing on how all this impacts the business world.
Yeah, this week we're seeing a lot of really interesting kind of connections emerge across several key areas.
Yeah.
So we're going to be taking a look at how businesses are actually moving beyond just sort of uh, experimenting with AI to really integrating it strategically.
Yeah.
And then also kind of the intense competition and innovation that's driving the AI development landscape and the increasingly diverse ways that AI is being applied across different industries.
Yeah.
We'll also touch on how our understanding of AI's capability is kind of evolving as this all goes on.
Yeah, so let's dive right into that first theme. How companies are shifting from basic AI use to much more strategic integration. It struck me this week that while a large percentage of businesses, around 72%, are actually using AI in some form, many are still kind of using it for these fairly limited applications, like chatbots. And it seems like the real game changer is when AI starts to become like a fundamental part of how a business actually operates.
Yeah, what's becoming increasingly clear is that AI is moving from being seen as like a supplementary tool
Yeah.
to a core strategic asset, right? And
Yeah.
so
Right.
we're seeing signals that companies are recognizing the limitations of those initial more superficial AI deployments and are now looking at deeper, more integrated applications.
Yeah, and a perfect example of this is the recent merger of social media giant X and the AI company XAI, forming XAI Holdings. And with a staggering $100 billion evaluation and $6 billion in funding, this isn't just a small acquisition.
Right.
It strongly suggests a move to kind of weave AI directly into the fabric of a major communication platform. So, if you're in social media management or digital strategy, this could fundamentally change, how you approach content creation and audience engagement.
Absolutely. It's a powerful illustration of how, established platforms are looking to AI, not just for those incremental improvements, but for fundamental transformation of their core offerings.
Yeah, yeah, and it's not just in the realm of social media. Consider Amazon's Nova Act. It's an AI system designed to handle web tasks autonomously, and this feels like a significant step beyond, kind of theoretical AI agents. We're actually seeing these practical applications emerge that can automate, complex workflows for IT and operations teams. So
Yeah.
potentially, freeing up human capital for more strategic initiatives.
Yeah, and this move towards autonomous AI agents, often referred to as agentic AI,
Hmm.
is happening remarkably quickly. About 25% of companies reportedly began testing these kind of systems within just 3 months of their introduction. And Deloitte predicts that half of all companies will be piloting them by 2027. So that rapid uptake, signals a strong business appetite for these more sophisticated AI capabilities.
Yeah, it certainly does. But the reports also caution that simply having the technology isn't enough. Successful adoption really hinges on building trust, which includes navigating regulatory compliance and, ensuring robust security,
Mm.
making informed decisions about, specific AI technologies to avoid, vendor lock-in. And perhaps most importantly, ensuring the entire organization is prepared for this shift with clear AI governance frameworks in place.
Right.
Apparently, a significant majority of organizations still have work to do in this area.
Right.
It really highlights that the human element, the trust, the governance, the strategy is just as crucial as the AI itself.
Precisely. Without that strong foundation of trust and clear governance, the potential benefits of strategic AI adoption
Mm.
could be undermined by risks and inefficiencies.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's turn our attention to the second major theme, the incredibly dynamic and competitive world of AI development. It feels
Mhm.
like there's this constant stream of new innovations and announcements from both established tech giants
Yeah.
and emerging startups.
It's a period of intense activity and innovation,
Mm.
and the news this week definitely reflects that across kind of various facets of AI development.
Yeah. So we actually got a really interesting glimpse into the internal workings of OpenAI with the book The Optimist, which details the leadership transitions involving Sam Altman. So, for anyone in corporate governance, especially within high-growth tech companies, that situation offers some valuable insights into managing leadership and strategy in a rapidly evolving field.
Absolutely. And while OpenAI's internal dynamics provide a case study in corporate leadership, Apple is making strategic moves in the realm of personal health. Their development of an AI-powered health coach, reportedly codenamed Mulberry, and slated for release on iOS in 2026. This suggests a significant expansion of AI into personalized wellness. So if you're in healthcare administration or corporate wellness, the idea of AI analyzing your workout form or providing personalized medical recommendations, that has huge implications for preventative care and employee health programs.
Yeah, and here's where the pace of innovation really strikes you. Runway's Gen 4 model, achieving professional-grade AI video generation. We're talking 1080p with remarkably consistent characters and securing this massive $308 million in funding. It really underscores just how rapidly AI is becoming this powerful creative tool. So for the film and marketing industries, this could really revolutionize content creation.
Right.
But it also raises some interesting questions about the legal frameworks surrounding training data and copyright in these creative AI applications.
Yeah, that's a crucial intersection, right? This exponential progress in AI capabilities, and then the evolving legal and ethical landscapes that need to kind of keep pace.
Right.
And speaking of OpenAI, their recent activities really highlight this tension. Their release of their first open weights model since GPT-2, alongside a substantial $40 billion funding initiative known as Project Stargate. This suggests a strategy of, balancing accessibility for developers.
Yeah, right.
With the need for significant investment to scale for enterprise-level applications.
Yeah, so it seems like a delicate dance. Making AI more accessible can certainly, fuel innovation from a wider range of developers.
Yeah.
But the significant funding push also underscores the immense resources required to build and maintain these cutting edge models.
Yeah.
So it'll be interesting to see how this impacts the broader AI ecosystem. And it's not just the major players either. Google is now offering wider access to the advanced AI capabilities of Gemini 2.5 Pro.
Right.
Even if it comes with rate limits. This democratization of powerful AI tools could be a real boon for smaller teams and startups,
Yeah.
allowing them to leverage capabilities that were previously out of reach.
Precisely. Lowering the barrier to entry can often be a catalyst for innovation across various sectors.
Yeah, yeah.
And further challenging the established commercial models, Imad Mostak's Intelligent Internet has released an open source AI research agent called iResearcher.
Okay.
And the claim is that this has superior analytical capabilities compared to existing tools. Coupled with its open source nature, this could significantly impact R&D departments by potentially reducing costs and fostering collaboration.
Yeah, the applications of AI are branching out into this incredibly diverse range of fields. Isomorphic Labs, backed by Alphabet, securing a massive $600 million in funding specifically for AI-driven drug discovery.
Right.
Leveraging their AlphaFold technology in partnership with Eli Lilly, that really spotlights AI's increasing and potentially transformative role in pharmaceutical innovation.
Yeah. It's about fundamentally changing the economics and timelines of drug discovery, which is traditionally a very lengthy and expensive process. By applying AI to areas like protein folding and molecular design, they aim to significantly accelerate the identification and development of new therapeutics. So this has huge implications for the biotech and pharmaceutical industries, and ultimately, for patients.
Yeah, and let's not overlook the advancements in mixed reality. Apple integrating Apple Intelligence into their Vision Pro, offering AI-powered features for things like text rewriting, image generation, and even natural language photo search within a mixed reality environment. That has potential ramifications for creative industries and even training applications in immersive environments.
Yeah, this seamless integration of AI into mixed reality environments could lead to more intuitive and productive user experiences.
Yeah.
And it's really sort of blurring the lines between, the physical and digital worlds.
Yeah, yeah. Even the fundamental processes of data analysis are being impacted. Microsoft embedding AI agents within its Fabric analytics
Ah.
platform to automate data interpretation and report generation. This could lead to significant efficiency gains for data scientists and analysts. Allowing them to focus on higher level strategic insights.
Yeah, automating those more routine data analysis tasks can really free up skilled professionals to focus on more complex problem solving and strategic thinking, and ultimately, leading to more impactful insights.
Yeah. And to support this rapid proliferation of AI applications, the underlying infrastructure is also evolving. Temporal raising a substantial $146 million for AI agent hosting. That suggests a growing demand for robust and scalable infrastructure,
Yeah.
specifically designed to support these autonomous AI systems. And this is a crucial development for organizations looking to build and deploy their own custom AI solutions.
Yeah, think of it as the necessary groundwork for the widespread adoption of AI agents, right?
Yeah.
So reliable and scalable host infrastructure is essential for their effective deployment and management.
Yeah, on a global scale, the development of advanced AI models is becoming increasingly competitive.
Hmm.
Alibaba's plan to launch its new Quinn 3 AI model underscores that this is a worldwide race to develop, cutting-edge language processing capabilities.
Yeah, the emergence of strong AI models from various regions,
Yeah,
it fosters healthy competition
right.
and can also lead to models that are better suited to, uh, you know, specific linguistic and cultural context.
Back in the realm of creative tools, Meta's unveiling of Mocha, which allows for the creation of realistic animated characters from simple text and audio prompts, this could significantly lower the barrier to entry for content production in media and marketing.
Yeah, reducing the cost and complexity of content creation
Yeah.
can democratize access and allow for greater experimentation and creativity,
Yeah.
especially for, smaller businesses and individual creators.
Right. And finally, in this rapid fire overview of AI development, Minimax launching Speech O2, a system capable of generating natural sounding multilingual voices in over 30 languages. That represents a significant leap forward for global customer support and media applications.
Indeed, high quality multilingual voice generation can really break down communication barriers and create more engaging and accessible experiences for users worldwide.
Yeah. All right, so now let's move on to our third key theme, the ever-expanding practical applications of AI across a multitude of industries. In various sectors.
Yeah, the news this week is really showcasing how AI is moving beyond theoretical concepts and finding concrete applications in, solving real world problems and creating new opportunities.
Yeah. So we saw this fascinating breakthrough in sustainable aviation,
Yeah.
with Caltech scientists developing a method for producing solar-powered aviation fuel.
Yeah.
This offers a potentially a viable pathway towards, a more environmentally friendly airline industry, a development that's surely of interest to aviation executives and sustainability officers alike.
Yeah, it's a compelling example of how AI can contribute to sustainability efforts by, aiding in scientific discovery and technological innovation.
Yeah, yeah. Shifting to a more immediate safety concern, MIT's development of a mathematical model capable of predicting crowd movement.
Hmm.
This could provide invaluable insights for event planners and venue managers, allowing them to implement strategies to improve safety at large gatherings. Understanding the dynamics of crowd behavior can be crucial in preventing dangerous situations.
Yeah, when applying sophisticated modeling techniques, potentially informed by AI analysis of past events,
Yeah.
this can lead to more effective safety protocols and better urban planning strategies.
Yeah, yeah. In a truly significant medical advancement, the successful transplant of a pig liver into a human represents a major step forward in addressing the critical shortage of human organs for transplant. So, this has profound implications for healthcare administrators and transplant centers,
Yeah.
offering hope to countless patients.
This breakthrough really underscores AI's role in facilitating progress in biotechnology and medicine
Yeah.
that could have significant and life-saving impacts.
Yeah. Even our everyday online shopping experiences are being influenced by AI in new ways. Amazon Photos is reportedly adding AI-driven shopping recommendations
Mm.
based on analysis of users' photos.
Yeah.
So this blending of personal media with e-commerce, while potentially convenient,
Right.
also raises important privacy considerations for marketing teams to navigate carefully.
Yeah, the convergence of personal data and commercial applications, necessitates a thoughtful approach to data privacy and user consent.
Yeah, yeah. On a positive note for mental well-being, AI therapy apps like Therabot are showing some promising results, with effectiveness comparable to human therapists in reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety in clinical trials. So this could significantly expand access to mental health support,
Mm.
a crucial consideration for HR departments and employee wellness programs.
Yeah, while requiring careful validation and ethical oversight, AI-powered mental health tools offer the potential to reach a wider population and provide accessible and timely support.
Yeah. And another remarkable development in assistive technology, a neuroprosthesis developed by researchers at UC Berkeley and UCSF, has demonstrated the ability to convert brain signals to speech in real time.
Wow.
So this offers a potentially transformative solution for individuals with severe speech impairments, a significant advancement for healthcare providers and insurers involved in assistive care.
Yeah, this is a powerful example of AI's potential to restore fundamental human capabilities and improve the quality of life for individuals with neurological conditions.
Yeah. The widespread adoption of generative AI is clearly evident in the impressive revenue figures for ChatGPT reaching $5 billion
Mhm.
with 20 million paid users. So it has quickly become a go-to productivity tool across numerous professional domains.
Yeah, that rapid and widespread adoption, underscores the perceived value and practical utility of generative AI in enhancing productivity, creativity, and communication across various industries.
Yeah, yeah. In a more unconventional application, Tinder's launch of the game of Dandy Bame, an AI-powered flirting simulation, demonstrates the versatility of conversational AI and its potential application in areas like soft skills training and professional development.
Yeah, gamified AI interactions can provide a low stakes environment for individuals to practice and refine, their interpersonal communication skills.
Yeah. Even Hollywood is seeing a shift in its relationship with AI, moving past initial controversy. AI is now being recognized and utilized as a legitimate creative tool, even contributing to Oscar-winning films,
Hmm.
signaling its growing acceptance within the media production industry.
Yeah, the integration of AI into the creative workflows of Hollywood,
Yeah.
highlights its potential to augment human artistry and streamline production processes.
Yeah, yeah. For the academic and professional training sectors, Anthropic is tailoring its Claude AI model with features like learning mode and customizable templates, offering new tools for educators and corporate training programs to personalize and enhance learning experiences.
Yeah, AI-powered learning platforms can offer more adaptive and personalized educational experiences, catering to individual learning styles and paces.
Yeah, for smaller businesses looking to leverage the power of AI, Emergence AI's no-code platform, for creating self-improving AI agents, could be a game changer, enabling the automation of complex processes without, requiring specialized technical expertise.
Yeah, democratizing access to AI development tools empowers smaller organizations to leverage automation and improve efficiency without the need for extensive coding knowledge.
Yeah, yeah. Professionals in the video editing world are also seeing AI integration. Adobe is incorporating AI-powered video tools into Premiere Pro, such as generative extend and natural language search capabilities, which promises to significantly streamline workflows for video editors.
Yeah, AI-powered enhancements within professional software can free up, creative professionals from more tedious tasks and allow them to focus on higher level creative decisions.
Yeah, yeah. The financial industry is also undergoing a transformation with AI, reshaping asset management strategies and client services through automated portfolio management and personalized client interactions, ultimately, impacting client retention and operational efficiency.
Yeah, the application of AI in finance
Right.
is leading to more data-driven decision-making, personalized services, and more efficient operational processes.
Yeah. Looking towards the future of human-computer interaction, Meta's next generation smart glasses with premium AI integration aim to, seamlessly blend augmented reality into daily life,
Yeah.
with potential applications ranging from, field service to retail.
Yeah, the evolution of smart glasses with embedded AI could create new interfaces for accessing information and interacting with our physical environment.
Yeah, yeah. The potential acquisition of TikTok by Amazon, driven in part by a desire to expand social commerce, highlights the growing integration of AI-driven content recommendations and shopping experiences.
Yeah, the convergence of social media, e-commerce, and sophisticated AI algorithms is creating new paradigms for consumer discovery and purchasing.
Yeah, yeah. On a broader economic scale, the UN is forecasting significant workforce shifts due to the increasing adoption of AI, projecting a $5 trillion market by the 2030s. So this underscores the critical need for proactive workforce reskilling initiatives and ethical considerations in AI deployment to mitigate potential negative impacts.
Yeah, proactive planning for workforce transitions, a strong ethical framework for AI implementation are essential to navigate the economic and social implications of widespread AI adoption.
Yeah, yeah. On an individual level, AI is even proving helpful in navigating the job market, with
Hmm.
tools emerging to assist with resume building, salary research, and even practicing for job interviews, offering practical benefits for both job seekers and HR professionals.
Yeah, AI-powered tools can empower individuals in their career journeys by providing valuable resources and preparation for the job market.
Yeah. Finally, ChatGPT's integration of new image generation capabilities directly within its text-based interface is expanding creative workflows for marketing, product design, and content creation teams, all within a single accessible platform.
Yeah, the seamless integration of text and image generation capabilities really, streamlines the creative process and allows for more fluid ideation and production.
All right, so as you can see, it's been an incredibly active week in the world of AI, with significant developments across the board, from foundational research to a vast array of practical applications impacting numerous industries. The key takeaways for you, the learner, are the increasing strategic integration of AI within businesses, the rapid and intensely competitive innovation driving the AI landscape, the ever-expanding and diverse real-world applications of this transformative technology, and the crucial ongoing evolution of, our understanding of AI's capabilities and implications for the future of work and society.
We hope this deep dive has provided you with valuable insights and a clearer understanding of, the key trends shaping our world. To stay ahead of the curve with in-depth analysis and curated news on AI and its impact, be sure to subscribe to the RAIZOR Report newsletter at razor.co. There, you'll also find links to all the articles we've discussed today, allowing you to delve deeper into the topics that interest you most. This is just the beginning of the conversation, and we encourage you to continue exploring and questioning the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence.
Yeah, absolutely.
Until next time,
Take care.
bye.